So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. And now here this is one of an amazing video how we can use ChatGPT as a creative writer for writing the Facebook ad headlines. So this is the prompt that I have written. As you can see here, I have written I want you means ChatGPT to act as a creative writer for Facebook ad headlines, and your job is to write attention grabbing headlines that can attract the people just by going at glance to the headline titles. So this is I've what written it. So your job is to write attention grabbing headlines based on a given product or service. Each headline should not be more than 20 words and should clearly convey the main benefit of the product or service. So this is the prompt that I have written. And then the reply from the ChatGPT I've got, that is, sure, I would happy to help. Please provide me the product or the service that you would like me to write headlines for. So this is a very simple prompt that I have written, and here I have stated the product. Start with this product or service, and I've given here colon and a new brand of eco-friendly cleaning products. And here I have got one of an amazing replies from the ChatGPT. As you can see here, the title for ad headlines is created by the ChatGPT. So here we have got the 10 headlines. As you can see, clean your home, help the planet with eco-friendly products, and then just you can read out. Let's say if you do not like this 10 headlines, just you can add another prompt to the ChatGPT and tell I want more 10 headlines. Just you can just experiment into your own terminal. So in this way we can use ChatGPT as a creative writer for Facebook ad headlines. So this video is sponsored by aiconvo.in. Basically, I have created a course based on ChatGPT, how you can use ChatGPT in 101 different ways in different professions. So you can come to the website, that is aiconvo.in. I would give the link in the description of the video. Just you can go and click on the link and then come here and then go through the overview section, then go through the curriculum. Here I have told each and every detail. I have created around 101 different videos, like how you can use ChatGPT in different professions, like as an advertiser, then UX developer, then life coach, career counselor. Just you can go through 101 different ways onto my website. If you find it helpful, you can definitely go check it out, and if you use code elon20 you will get rupees 400 off. So yeah, that's it. We will meet you into the next video. So till then, bye, take care, thank you.